The Sejjil missile is a two-stage, solid-propellant, medium-range ballistic missile domestically designed and built by Iran. Sejjil at a glance. Originated from Iran. Possessed by Iran. Alternate name, Ashura, Sejjil, Sejjil. Class, medium-range ballistic missile, MRBM. Basing, road mobile. Length, 18 meters. Diameter, 1.25 meters. Launch weight, 23,600 kilograms. Payload, single warhead, 700 kilograms. Warhead, HE, nuclear. Propulsion, two-stage solid propellant. Range, 2,000 kilometers. Status, uncertain. In service, 2012 to present. Sejjil development. Development of the Sejjil missile likely began in the late 1990s, but stems directly from development work of previous Iranian missiles, most notably the Sejjil SRBM. Its use of solid propellant in particular is due to fuel technology advancement made in conjunction with the Sejjil program during the 1990s, the development of which is believed to have been aided by China. Though the missile has a similar size, weight, and range to the Shahab 3 variants, its use of solid propellants is a major improvement on the Shahab design. Solid propellant missiles do not have to be fueled immediately prior to launch; they are more easily transported. On the other hand, solid propellant missiles have particular performance characteristics that make them more difficult to guide and control. How Iranian engineers have overcome these hurdles is unknown, but it seems likely that they have modified Shahab guidance systems and/or received considerable foreign assistance. Specifications. The Sejjil missile has a length of 18 meters, a diameter of 1.25 meters, and an overall launch weight of 23,600 kilograms. It can deliver a payload of around 700 kilograms to its 2,000-kilometer range. Presumably, the missile will carry HE warheads until Iran gains nuclear warheads. The missile's maximum range is about 2,000 kilometers, though these figures are based upon a missile fuselage with the weight and performance characteristics of aeronautical-grade steel. Service history. The first test launch occurred in 2008, and the missile reportedly flew 800 kilometers. A second launch was conducted in May 2009 to test improved guidance and navigation systems. 4 other flight tests have occurred since 2009, with the 6th test flying approximately 1,900 kilometers into the Indian Ocean. The Sejjil missile appears to be a unique Iranian design. Though some speculation has tied the missile to the Chinese DF-11 and DF-15, the size and specifications of the missile suggest that the Iranian missile is unique. Unlike earlier Iranian systems, the missile does not appear to be a copy of a previously released North Korean missile. Of course, it is highly likely that the missile project has made significant gains through foreign assistance. Because the design is new, Iran will probably have to subject it to a great deal of testing before putting the missile into regular operation. Assuming that the Sejjil project moves at about the same speed as foreign missile development projects, Iran could not have declared the missile operational until at least 2012. However, this has still not formally occurred, despite putting the missile on public display during a parade alongside the Shahab 3 and Ghadar 1. The missile has not been tested since 2012, leaving its deployment status uncertain. There may be multiple versions of the Sejjil system. In 2009, Iran referred to the test launch as the Sejjil 2.